Hello guys, so for today's video, I'm going to share to you how to use avatar and create an avatar in our Zoom meetings. Okay, so these avatars are very useful, especially if you don't want to turn on your camera and you are obliged to turn on your camera. So this is a very useful tool, right? So that you can do that. Okay, so as you can see, my camera is off. My video is off, but it's still it looks like it's on because of this avatar, right? But as you can see, it's animated, so it's very clear. It's not you, but it still looks like your camera is on because you can see your face here. That looks like you, but it's not you. It's animated. That's our avatar. That's my customized or that's the avatar that I have customized. Because here in Zoom, you can customize your own avatar, or you can use the um you can use the given avatars. Okay, same with this one. So yeah, same with this. It's a given avatar already here in Zoom. So if you don't want that your face looks like a cat, that you really want that your camera or your face in the video will look like still you, even though it's animated, then you can customize. You can do that here. Okay. Anyway, um, to start, so if right now my avatar is activated, no, it's showing. So if I'm gonna uncheck that, you can see just my face. So if you turn on your video, it will really show off your face, right? Especially if you're using if your device has a camera, right? You can they can see your face. But if you don't want that, make sure that your avatar is activated before that happens. So if you I take this show avatar again, it will show my avatar again. Okay, even though my camera is off. If I turn on my camera, since my avatar is on activated, if I turn on my camera, it still look like this. Okay, because my avatar is here. So if I uncheck this one, it will show off my face. Okay, so that's the advantage of having the avatar. So I'm gonna turn off the video again. So for now, um for mobile phone, uh okay, so for mobile phone, uh wait a moment. uh, it's still the same, but uh it's just different setup or different uh how do you call this? Okay, so it looks like this. So if I turn on the camera, so it's still the cat, right? It's still the cat's face since my avatar is on. But if I turn off the avatar, so you can see my face, real face. So if I turn off, still the same. So if so how do you activate or deactivate the avatar? Since in the if I'm using the laptop or computer, you just check or uncheck the show avatar, right? So here in the mobile phone, you just swipe right, okay, or swipe left, and then click the three dots that has more, then click this hide avatar, so you can see the face, all right, and of the picture of the user. Then if you go, just click the show avatar, so you can see the avatar again. Okay, so that's the side of for the mobile phones. Now let's go back to the computer. Now for the computer, if you're going to change this avatar, you just go to choose avatar, or you can go to the video settings, any of the two. And here in the video settings, uh, you can go here, background and effects. Then you can see on the third tab there is an avatar here. Okay, so this is mine. All right, so this is the uh, uh, default avatars that you can also use there. So if you want to create another avatar, just click this plus sign, or if none, just click none. So there is no avatar. You can just see my face. So if you click this plus, so you will be seeing here an option that you can customize the picture, the face of the or avatar, where you can change the skin color, the face shape, hair, hair color, eyes, eye color. That will really look like you, right? It's very nice. Eyelash, eyebrow color. So everything is here: nose, mouth, lips, then age. If you're still young, old, like that. Facial hair color. So this is already for both sex or for both genders, male and female. Like body, clothing, head covering. So you can for is very cool. You can choose clothing here. Head covering with some hats, glasses. So it's very cool. You can really customize everything here. So here on my background, um, so this is for avatars. Okay. So for the background, just go here on the virtual backgrounds. You can also pick any backgrounds here, so that it's not just plain picture or plain color for the background of your avatar. It's up to you. What's your reference? Preference. Okay, that's for the mobile PC or computer laptop version. All right. So for the mobile version, um, okay, it's like this. So you just still swipe right, then go to more, and then go to background and effects. So yeah, you can still see your virtual background. If you want to change the background, yeah, it's still changing, right? Then we have video filters. So if you want to add something, effects on the video, on the screen of your video, and this is the avatar, the third tab. So you can pick here. So there's no customized avatars here yet. So if you want to add one, just click add, and still the same thing that you can see earlier on using the laptop or computer version, right? So yeah, you can edit your skin, face, hair color, and so on. Yeah, so that is how we create avatar, and I hope you enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have learned something, and let's apply it in our Zoom so that it would look fun. Thank you and have a great day.